It's harbor. So yung harbor ang tinitignan natin, guys. Yeah, this is it. Wala palang mga bahay dito. Okay. May close na good sila. So guys, dito nagtatapos ang hapon dito sa Cuckoo Cay. Balik na kami sa barko ngayon. Alright, so maglakad tayo doon pabalik. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa view. Ang ganda ng maliit lang siya na island pero ang dami na pwedeng gawin. Kulang isang araw, guys. Alright, let's go. Masakit sa paa. Yay. Yoy, tama lang.
Hindi ka na makalaro.
Ha?
Hindi ka na makalaro.
Maglaro eh. Panos mo lang yan. So, kumusta man?
Masaya.
Ikaw na sa camera.
Oh, hello. Masaya.
So,
Puti pa rin ako.
anong masasabi mo sa ano?
Araw ko?
Oo.
Masaya, maganda.
Ganda.
Thank you, Lord.
Alright, good.
Masaya.
Focus tayo sa daan, guys.
Malinis din ang bade. Mahiya tayo na maluya pa natin.
Dapat doon, banda malapit sa may barko yan. So, meron din mga water, wet dito, guys, para sa mga bata, tas.
Sa matanda.
Bukas na tayo ng paa. Oops. Guys, naghugas tayo ng paa kasi ang daming arikabok. Mga arikabok, marami. Alright, guys, ganda, no? Meron silang ano. Kahit saan, meron tayong mga kuya at saka ate dito. Copyright na naman tayo, guys. Maihian. Tingin na ako. Oh, Shanghai, London, Miami, Amsterdam, Paris, Tokyo, New York, Bali, Paradise, Mexico City, Chicago, Los Angeles,
Wala nga nato ng Philippines niya.
Oh, wala. Walang Philippines.
Wala.
Bakit? Why?
Kanina na to sa kiyang padulong Philippines, di maabot na sultaan nino.
Abot na siya.
Ha?
Abot na siya.
Mga pila ka na ko maabot.
Napon sila sakyanan, mga siguro forever.
Kana o apo kay sa taas sa nagsugod ka o.
Ah!
Oo.
Ikaw kaya mo yan, Han, sa grupo.
Kaya mo yan.
Pero din mga ano sa bata, oh. The channel. Ito na yun, guys, yung pabalik natin mag-ano na dito, yung mga papilis. Yan. Bring out your ano. I don't know what to do. Kasing, halos kasing laki sila. Mas bagong design to isa. Parang mas mataba yung isa, no?
Ito siya bagong design.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Hindi yata. No, that is the ano, yung sa Bingguhan, Han. Oh, yeah, sa likod.
Dito yan dyan sa taas.
Yeah. So,
Hindi ba maingay yan dyan banda?
ano? Ng lupit, guys. That's the Odyssey of the Seas, Nassau. Ang laki-laki. Ang laki-laki.
Barkuha, oy.
Laki, no? Grabe, guys. Kailan tayo magkakaroon ng Pilipinas? Okay. Pasok na kami, guys. Pagkain yun.
Basta na ang live mo.
Ayun, mga kuya, sila kuya.
Mahirap makasunod yan, no?
200? 200? Mga kuya at ate, oh. Sila kuya at saka ate. I think we're so hungry.
Let's go, bebe.
Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Kuya! Anong balita? Oh, sige, thank you.
It's gonna be in here.
Our home for the next 3 years. Merry Christmas, sailors. Feliz Navidad.
This is not the one. It's over on the other side. I told you. This is where I got lost. You know that, right?
That's why I don't trust women.
We're here.
We're in the other side of the boat.
Yes.
Ay, ay, ay. So we have to go down.
This one.
Huh?
This one.
Huh?
Remember, this is my way when I got your wallet.
Oh, we can go straight there?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know that.
Yeah, remember ako nagkuha ng wallet mo? May mga ano sila, decoration.
Guys, balik na
Tapos
kami.
kung gusto mo mag-birthday dito, pwede sila mag-decorate ng birthday mo sa room.
Hey guys,
Tapos
mga
bigyan kanila ng cake.
kakarma.
Katulad niyan, oh, may anniversary.
Oh, nga no.
Pwede sila mag-decorate para sa they can do anything for you.
Oh. Guys, dito tayo mag-meet up.
Except sa lechon. Yun ang ating kwarto and breathe.
Oo. Mga lahat ng mga karma dito tayo mag-meet up. Anong
Sige
tawag nun? Tawag nila?
Okay.
Meet and greet.
Okay, bye-bye na.
Bye-bye na. Hindi ka pa nakapasok. Mamaya na. Baka makidnap
Bye-bye
ka.
na.
Bye-bye guys. Bye-bye. Bye. Ayun o.
Merry Christmas!
Filipino!
New Year! Merry Christmas! Woo!
Alis na guys. Alis na kami guys.
Vote for me! 2020, 2028.
Vote for me 2025!
Woo!
Bye guys. Mga Pilipino yun nasa baba guys. Okay, mga Pilipino yun. Alis na kami, papunta na naman kami sa Nassau. Okay? May laro ako mamaya ng basketball guys, manood kayo.
Very rapidly as a very large cold front is taking over pretty much all of the Bahamas and a lot of the coastal areas of Florida. So we have had to make an itinerary alteration, which will mean a canceling of our call into Nassau and the Bahamas. Information in greater detail will be prepared for you and playing for you on Channel 1 as part of Entertainment Today. Captain and myself filmed the video that shows you very clearly the weather we're facing. It's going to start playing at 10 o'clock tonight and replete throughout the entire evening. You can catch it on Channel 1. Now, folks, of course, rest assured we've got lots of things in store for you. A wonderful 3 days of planned ahead of you. And, of course, Captain has your safety as his #1 priority aboard the ship, and that's why a decision has been made. Not only us, it's all the ships going to Nassau, as well as several ships going to Coco Cay. I've also had to make similar adjustments to their schedule. So it is a large weather front, and, of course, we need to make sure that we are safe, in addition to making sure you have a good time. And we're going to make sure you have a great time. Now, folks, a quick reminder, if you did have any purchases that were pre-purchased for Nassau, for as far as shore excursions go, those will be automatically refunded to your SeaPass card. There is no need to visit guest services or the shore excursions desk. When you're asking about your refunds, those will be done for you automatically, and that will appear shortly on your SeaPass account. Tonight, folks, it is tropical night around the ship, so enjoy the nice weather while we've got it. We're going to have ourselves a tropical party up on the deck. I hope you all come out and pack it out tonight. We're going to have our Dancing Under the Stars at 10:45 with your entertainment activities team. Live music up there with our Calypso band as well. All kinds of fun.
Cancel guys, ang punta natin sa isang
interim though, this evening we have lots going on for you. A virtual
kasi may
symphony
bagyo, so it's okay, next time
7
ulit.
o'clock, 79-piece virtual orchestra, 7.1 surround sound on a
Laro si Dada. Hi, Sama.
Come on!
So kakain kami ngayon guys.
Kain na naman.
Pagkatapos namin manalo ng 2 game sa basketball. At saka tingnan nyo guys.
Malamig po. Nalamigan ako. Ay, may bagyo pala. Hindi bagyo, may storm. So, hindi dadako ang barko sa Nassau. So, dito lang kami sa barko for the next 3 days.
Yeah, stuck kami dito guys.
Oo.
Pero okay na rin kasi marami namang gagawin. Next time na lang.
Next time.
Thank you. That sounds promising. Thank you so much. Since you are such a nice people and you give such a positive feedback,
Balik na lang kami dito. Dito ka every night.
So are you guys ready?
Available yung table ko.
Are you guys
Dito
ready?
tayo. Okay.
All right.
Thank you.